Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best fragrance-free beard oil is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked products in a modern man's grooming arsenal, especially for those with sensitive skin or a preference for unscented products, as it works to deeply moisturize and condition your beard and the skin beneath, preventing itchiness, dryness, and flakiness while promoting a softer, healthier, and more manageable beard without any overpowering scents that could clash with your cologne or irritate your senses. Number 5. Beard Kit Gifts for Men. Introducing the complete beard care and grooming kit designed for men. It's everything you need for a healthy, well-maintained beard. Our kit includes 3 natural beard oils that gently soothe itchiness and dryness. Experience relief and comfort with these premium formulations. This comprehensive set contains a wash, balm, oil, brush, comb, and scissors. Achieve a perfectly groomed beard with these essential tools. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This beard kit is ideal for men, dads, and husbands. It's a fantastic present for birthdays and Christmas. Transform your beard with our high-quality grooming products. Enjoy a softer, healthier, and more manageable beard every day. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers a complete beard care solution. It includes everything you need for grooming and maintenance. If you're looking for an all-in-one gift or a full starter set, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The oil is very light and absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. It effectively moisturizes the beard and skin underneath, preventing dryness and itchiness. The fragrance-free formula is perfect for those with sensitive skin or who prefer unscented products. Number 4. Viking Revolution Beard Wash and Conditioner Set. Discover the ultimate grooming experience with Viking Revolution. Our premium beard wash and conditioner are designed to keep your beard healthy and looking its best. This powerful wash effectively cleanses your beard, removing dirt and impurities without stripping natural oils. It leaves your facial hair feeling refreshed and revitalized. Follow up with our rich conditioner to deeply moisturize and soften your beard. It helps to tame flyaways and reduce itchiness, ensuring a comfortable and manageable beard. Experience the sophisticated and masculine aroma of sandalwood. This signature scent provides a pleasant fragrance that lasts throughout the day. Formulated with nourishing ingredients, our set promotes healthy beard growth and a fuller appearance. Give your beard the care it deserves. This complete set is everything you need for a superior beard care routine. Achieve a clean, soft, and great-smelling beard with ease. What we like. Experience a refreshing cleanse and deep conditioning with this set. The sandalwood scent offers a pleasant, masculine aroma. If you appreciate a signature scent and want to maintain both cleanliness and softness, this is the perfect option. What people say. This product is amazing, it leaves my beard feeling soft and manageable without any greasy residue. I love how this beard oil moisturizes my skin and prevents itching, which is a common problem for me with other products. The subtle scent is barely noticeable, making it perfect for those who are sensitive to fragrances. My beard looks healthier and feels great. Number 3. Scotch Porter Restorative Leave-In Beard Conditioner. Tired of a dry, coarse beard? Introducing a revolutionary leave-in conditioner designed to transform your facial hair. Experience deep conditioning that softens and revitalizes. It penetrates deeply to nourish every strand. Enjoy a lightweight feel without the frizz. It smooths and tames unruly hairs for a polished look. Say goodbye to dull and dry. This formula provides long-lasting hydration, leaving your beard healthy and vibrant. Indulge in the sophisticated warm spice and musk scent. It leaves your beard smelling as good as it looks. For a beard that's soft, hydrated, and full of shine, this is your go-to solution. Get ready for your best beard yet. What we like. Achieve a smoother, more manageable beard with this leave-in conditioner. It provides deep conditioning without a heavy feel. If you struggle with coarse, dry, or frizzy beards and desire lasting hydration and shine, this product is ideal for you. What people say. The oil is very light and absorbs quickly into the beard, leaving it soft and manageable without any greasy residue. It effectively conditions the beard and skin underneath, reducing itchiness and dryness, which is great for sensitive skin. The fragrance-free formula is perfect for those who are sensitive to scents or prefer a natural, unscented product. Number 2. Everyman Jack Softening Scruff and Beard Butter. Tired of a rough, unmanageable beard? Introducing our softening scruff and beard butter, designed specifically for men. Experience all-day hydration that keeps your beard and mustache soft and healthy. It's formulated to provide lasting moisture. This butter is enriched with nourishing shea butter and coconut oil. These ingredients work together to condition your beard deeply. Say goodbye to unruly flyaways. Our formula helps to tame them, giving your beard a neater appearance. Enjoy a non-greasy feel that makes styling effortless. Achieve your desired look with ease, without any sticky residue. This is the perfect solution for your beard care needs. It provides conditioning and styling in one easy step. What we like. This beard butter offers all-day hydration and easy styling. It effectively tames flyaways for a neat appearance. If you need a lightweight, non-greasy solution to keep your beard soft and under control throughout the day, consider this butter. What people say. This fragrance-free beard oil is excellent for sensitive skin. It moisturizes the beard without leaving a greasy residue. The oil absorbs quickly and leaves the beard feeling soft and manageable. Number 1. 7 Potions Pure Equilibrium Beard Oil. Discover the secret to a healthier, more manageable beard. Our natural formula is designed to condition and soften, leaving your facial hair feeling its best. Enjoy the pure benefits without any added scent. This unscented beard softener is perfect for those who prefer a natural grooming experience. Crafted with vegan ingredients, it provides deep conditioning for your beard. It works to nourish the hair and skin beneath. Say goodbye to beard itch and dandruff. This conditioning oil helps to calm irritation and promote a healthy scalp environment. Experience the Pure Equilibrium blend. It's designed to bring balance and vitality to your beard, making it look and feel great. Elevate your grooming routine with this essential beard care product. It's the perfect addition for any man seeking a refined look. What we like. Enjoy the benefits of a healthy beard without any added scents. This vegan oil is formulated to prevent itch and dandruff. If you have sensitive skin, prefer unscented products, or are looking for a pure, conditioning oil, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The oil is very light and absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue. It effectively moisturizes the beard and skin underneath, preventing dryness and itchiness. The fragrance-free formula is perfect for those with sensitive skin or who prefer unscented products. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.